Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have cheesy Cajun pasta with shrimp, steak, and sausage. And in that order.
Oh, it's spicy too.
So, and then we have some, because I like that. We have some garlic knots, and we have some salad on the side.
Okay, family.
I made this before, and they loved it, so I'm making it again. We didn't eat it on the channel, so we decided to eat it on the channel today, dog. Thank you.
You know what to do. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like first thing. Okay?
That's how it looks. See that?
And when you finish, when you like, when it's finished watching the video, comment. But the main thing, make sure you subscribe. Okay? Monday, fun day. Happy Monday. I'm gonna eat some food.
That is good.
I'm hungry. I eat all day.
This salad is my favorite salad from Sam's. It has apples in it, cabbage, cheese, croutons. It's really good.
I mean, I don't really care. I'm eating it.
I found this recipe off of Instagram. You know when you be watching the reels and you did it? Of course I added my own stuff to it, but this is really good. The steak is so tender. What you do to get the steak tender like this, honey,
Very tender.
is you have to freeze it and then you cut it up thinly.
Yeah.
And then you marinate it.
It's really good.
You marinate it in cornstarch, egg white, white wine, cornstarch, egg white, white wine, and soy sauce.
Family.
For like 30 minutes in the fridge, covered. And then what I do is, if I'm making something like Chinese food, I would just cook it, like blanch it in the water first. But I'm making it in a Cajun, so I rinsed off all of the cornstarch and all the soy sauce so it doesn't mess up the Cajun flavor.
Family. And also, we want to give a big shout out to one of our family members passing of her mom,
Oh, yeah.
Miss Gina. Okay? We didn't forget about you.
Our condolences.
Our condolences and get better, okay? So, family, wish her, you know what I mean? Condolences, okay? To Miss
right,
Gina,
baby.
okay, Miss Gina?
Bam.
Bless up. Sam,
She's a day one.
day one.
Oh my gosh. Miss Gina wants some enough. Miss Gina wants some food.
We made you laugh now. I know you wanted some of that. But shout out to you. Always, family. And the first day said, losing somebody is rough.
Very rough.
You know? Let's take it day by day. You know, you got the family members over here with us. And rocking with you, you know?
Forever.
Okay? Don't be a stranger.
Forever.
You know my address? Okay, my address is... You know, you don't want the address because you don't want us to come see you. Well, yeah, real talk, but yeah. Our condolences, Miss Gina. This is good.
I love it. It's one of my favorites.
Who do this? When they can't find a cap, I don't care, I'm showing you, I'm ghetto. They put something in here. Comment down if y'all do that. No. You made these from scratch?
But I can. Remember I made it a couple of times? It's a
Busted.
lot of work. You gotta wait for the dough to rise and all kind of crap. But
Bust.
it's so much easier to buy it, but it tastes so much better when you make it from scratch. But it is good.
If you're watching this video, my first day probably be in Key West. Since first day become a teacher, we have no day of men could chill.
I know.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all them teachers out there. How do y'all do it?
I don't know how to do it today.
You know? Yeah. You know what I mean? That's not a real job, but I'm saying, come on now. Y'all don't get no days off unless it's spring break, a little holiday, a little one day now and then. Come on now. Kirsty's been working for so long now. How long?
4 months.
4 months. And not a day off. Except weekend.
But on the weekends, you're trying to catch up for all the things you couldn't do during the week.
Okay. The first day out, took some day off. And first we're gonna hang out. So we're gonna catch fish as always. That's what we're going on there, because you know Thanksgiving is coming, because we need fish, we ain't got no fish.
No fish.
What we wanna do, I catch and cook. I catch, you wanna cook right here, so we don't know if it's gonna happen. But we see. Or what you wanna see? Do the catch and cook?
Thought I heard something.
Yeah. You want to do the catch and cook, or you want to go live cooking the fish? Okay?
You bite your tongue. Oh my goodness.
Bite it? Shut me chat too much, you know. But anyway, so you rather let's go live, because we're going to do some roast fish, 2 roast fish that we catch, if we catch, right there on the spot. Or you want us to do a video y'all can see. Let us comment down, let us know.
Let us know, because we haven't done a Key West video in a while. But it's true.
And it's that time, because you know, Christmas and Thanksgiving, dog.
So, I finished, because I substituted the same kindergarten class.
The story don't make any eat.
For 4 months. So the teacher, or 3.5 months.
They want you.
My youth, we can't talk to my youth. I'm very freaking tongue. So the teacher comes back on Monday. So they came to me and they said, hey, we have another teacher that's leaving, unfortunately. You did such a great job with, you know, with that one class for almost 4 months. We would love for you to take over until June. And I'm like, I can't do that. I've only been here for almost 4 months. I don't go to dinner with my husband anymore. I don't hang out with my kids anymore. We don't go fishing. Of course, I didn't tell them that. I'm just telling you.
Don't snitch on her now.
We don't do anything anymore. And I'm like, And as you guys know, I'm not a 9-to-5 person.
That's right.
So I did it because we have a lot of stuff that we want to get done. And it was good income, right? But I'm back to...
We're broke. Keyword, we're broke. Okay.
So, I'm back to subbing. So they asked me, well, okay, since you don't want to take over the class, can you stay in the class until the end of the month till we find someone? So I'm like, you know what, that's fine, but I'll see you next week. So they're like, wait, you're not coming on Monday? I said, I'm not coming the whole week. I'm taking a week off. I'm a substitute teacher. I'm not a permanent teacher. I can leave and come as I go. So I told them, deuces, I'll see you in a week. I gotta go spend time with my family. So over the weekend, the kids and I, we watched Hocus Pocus 2. And we chilled, watched some movies together. And then we're going to Key West, you know, because we go fishing that we haven't done in 4 months. You guys know we would have told you that we've gone fishing at least 3 times already. That's done.
You know that. We ain't got no fish, I mean nothing.
None.
Empty. Damn. Look at my pasta almost done, and I'm gonna start eating them, you know? Fam, we ain't got no fish. Everybody said, what happens to no fish? Gone. Finito. But yeah. So that's what we're gonna do, you know? A long time. But other than that, we're being good, you know?
And we refuse to go buy store fish. Oops.
We ain't doing that. No good.
No bueno.
If it's not fresh, we don't want it. This pasta hitting.
It's hitting.
Bust.
We got used to fresh fish though.
I love everything that's in here. Fresh fish is the key way.
Yeah. What you guys been up to? Listen, I took all of my Christmas stuff down from the attic.
You wanna go live and fix a video?
Probably.
Yeah, go live. Go do it on TikTok.
Probably.
I just do it. People don't just watch.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do it on TikTok. Why are you doing it? Yep.
So, because again, if you've been watching us, you would know. I start decorating my house right after Halloween. The inside. The outside, Richie will start doing when it gets closer
to
Thanksgiving, because I host Thanksgiving and my sister hosts Christmas. So, you know, you don't want people to come to the house and you don't have any decorations, because they're not going to come back to your house for the most part, you know? So I like to have all my decorations done, so when they come for Thanksgiving, they can see all my hard work. Ooh, what a pig.
No, I say it, you know.
Honey, why you eating that food so slow?
I'm taking my time, my you. Don't bite my lip already.
Oh.
I chat.
It's very good. It's so cheesy.
I think you go live on TikTok.
I am. Okay. So what Richie's talking about is if you have TikTok, it's okay. If you have TikTok, people go live doing anything. They can be sitting there watching a movie, they go live. They can be sitting there cooking dinner, they go live. Just like YouTube, but I don't know, it's more fascinating to me on TikTok.
What you were doing the other day?
I mean,
watching the guy with the egg.
Yo, Mayu, stop telling business, Mayu. Chat too much, man. Fuck. See?
Family.
No.
She be watching some weird stuff. So what happened now?
So I'm there scrolling on TikTok. This guy was going live, and I'm like, what the hell is he doing? Basically, he has an egg. It's not boiled. It's a regular egg that you buy from the store. And what he does is he cracks it, and he uses this tool to pick off all of the shell to leave just like the thin layer of the egg. And I sat there and I watched that man for hours. I was pissed off. I said, what the hell he got me here watching? But I couldn't stop because
it was fascinating. Cause he's like, I want to see if he really, and the egg is not boiled, family, or nothing. The raw egg. And
a couple of times he broke the egg, so that pissed me off even more, because now I have to stay to see if he's gonna take off all the shit. Yeah, he had like 3 different eggs. Okay. So I had to wait to see if he was going to get an egg completely with all the shell off and not crack it. He finally did, but it was like 2 hours. I was pissed off. Yeah. So I said, okay, when I'm decorating my tree, I'm gonna go live. When I'm cleaning my bedroom, I'm gonna go live. Why not? When I'm sitting there eating food,
you go live.
On TikTok.
People watch.
Yo, that shit was funny.
They watch.
I was so mad.
Crazy.
2 damn hours watch this nigga, and he finally did it. But
hey, brother.
No, because it's all
no, leave it.
I don't want it. No. Sure, piss me off.
So we chat my youth. What look on the cap? I don't know if that broke. No.
But I subscribed to him, or I followed him.
That's right.
But he ain't gonna take 2 hours from me next time. As soon as he broke the first egg, my gun. To water order.
Family, real story. Before first day we started mukbanging, right? I'm not gonna lie to you. I used to say, what are you doing? He said, I'm sitting there watching mukbang. I said, what? What is that? He said, we sit down and watch people eat all the food, all the food. I said, family, to be honest, I said, you really sit down and watch people just eat like that? She said, yes. I said, what? You just told me? She said, yes. She said, yo, they eat a lot. Family, look at me now. And we do it, and look what y'all doing. Because we like to see the different stuff, you know? It's not all about eating once what people, different food what people make, you know what I'm saying? But you should be on it. I'm like, oh my God, this is. When I come in the family, I thought something was going on wrong with her in the head, but it's fun. But you pause the test, my youth. Because right now we're following people and watch people that eat food, my youth. They be having some good food though.
They do. And it gives you good ideas to eat, what food to cook.
Yeah.
Because sometimes you don't know what to cook.
Yeah. How y'all start watching this?
Mukbangs.
Yeah, how y'all start watching mukbang? Comment down, let me know how y'all start watching mukbangs, please.
Yeah, not just our channel.
Not our channel, like why you just start watching it? Cause did y'all used to say the same thing, like, I'm really sitting there watching people eat. But it's the fun of it, people talk. Some people just don't talk. You know what I'm saying? But we talk when you have food. You know what I'm saying? At the same time. But let me know how y'all started watching this. I ain't have food, my own. Just take too much pasta, I ain't have food, my own. Like me do that shit, them my own. You have food, but you want to kiss. You chat too much, side you chat too much, my own.
Listen, I tell you how your lip. That's one of my favorite features about Richie, his lips and his eyes.
My lip are your favorite feature too.
Which lip? Which lip? Which lip?
Stop it. Alright. She's full, so you know what time it is already.
I'm full.
Let me finish this. Oh, I think I have a good word for you today, but when I say it, let me know. You know what I'm saying? Have you read this part of the video?
Thank you.
Thumbs up, thank you. You know what I'm saying? We will know if they read this far. Yeah. They will answer my question.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you read this far, let me see you answer my question.
Yeah. That's true.
Alright, family. This was delicious. So next delicious meal, appreciate it. Thank you so much. Really grateful for this.
You're welcome.
Thing. Done? Alright. Love a good time. I ain't clap. Family. I turn the fridge down. You gotta give me too much ice, no man.
Don't touch that freezer. because you're the one who freaking broke the ice machine.
Family, okay, ready. What a joke aside. If you walked away, I want you to come back now, because now this is the time right now, you know? The fun is over.
Excuse me.
Let's get serious over here now. Okay, family. First lady, ready?
Yes.
Family, ready? Listen up, family. Stress, anxiety, and depression are caused when you are living to please others. True, right? Okay. You didn't hear? Alright, sorry, I'm gonna say it again. Okay, I'm gonna say it a little clearer, let you hear, because you say you didn't hear. Okay. Family, stress and anxiety and depression are caused when you're living to please others. That's true enough? If you could relate, relate.
Very true.
If you could participate, participate, okay? If you're new, I am Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady, and they are...
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there who are getting paid, but we are not. We haven't changed that.
No, man, love it.
We're not changing.
Love slogan at my youth. That's true thing, my youth.
We appreciate you taking the time for joining us and watching us today. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye. Stop. Stop.